let me tell you, almost or close to 365 days of eating only white rice. Or if you're making a twist, maybe you're making some biryani, or just adding some food color here and there just to give it some life, or maybe making pilau or making just mixed rice or pilau njeri. Yeah, but this festive season, you don't want to do again white rice that you're already used to the whole year, like 365 almost days. So we're just going to make white rice, but add some twist to it and make it much more sweeter. So we're just going to add, so over here we have our lemon zest. I'll just show you how to make the lemon zest. Then we have some bit of lemon juice. We have some bay leaves, garlic, and some salt, the rice, and then some bit of dhania. So that's what you're going to be making, white rice with a bit of a twist. So stick around to see how we're going to make it so that you don't have a boring same 365 days of white rice only. So stick around. If you haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified the next time we have a new video, especially during this festive season. So let's begin. Easiest way to make your lemon zest. You can also make an orange zest, especially if you're doing pancakes and you want an orangey pancake. So the easiest way is you have your lemon or whichever fruit. Make sure you have this green rind. You only need the green rind. Below if there's a white one. So you just need to grate this green part. So you're just going to grate that. So the zest of lemon, orange, they give a lot of flavor to a meal or even to your desserts. So it's always good to have some. Basically, that's what you do. That's how you zest a lemon or an orange. So you'll see that whatever is coming out or below as you grate is the zest. Then what we're talking about, this white part, you only need this green part because the white one is a bit bitter, or rather it can be too bitter, especially for something like lemon. So you don't want to grate the white one. Once you get the white part, you just move over to the next part of the lemon. So we'll just keep on zesting this. So there you have it. There you have some of the lemon zest. Sure to also remove what is below. So that's the easy way to make some lemon zest. Very easy, very quick. So we're just going to heat up our cooking pan, add in some bit of oil, add in our garlic and let it fry. Once your garlic is well cooked or fried, add in your rice. Remember to rinse your rice before. And then just give it a stir to mix in with the garlic. Then we'll add in some salt, some bay leaves. So you can easily get bay leaves. So in Kenya, you can get this at the supermarket in the spice section. Then add in your lemon zest and a squeeze of that lemon juice. So just a bit of a squeeze, not too much. Then give your rice a stir. Then next you'll just add some cold water. So for this I'm just using the measurement of 1:2. So for 1 cup of rice, I'm going to use 2 cups of water. That's what I mean by 1:2. So stir again, then cover and let it cook as you'd normally do for your rice until all the water is fully dissolved. So midway, we add in also the dhania stems as it cooks. So for your rice, once ready, you can actually serve it. with the chicken. If you haven't watched that chicken video, remember to go back and watch it. And if you haven't subscribed, please do, because you're missing all this yumminess during this festive season. And also we keep it here for anything food, travel, culture, and inspiration. So you're just going to serve this. Very simple, delicious. Sika umeboeka na the normal rice you're used to. Don't remain stuck with the same kind of rice for 365 days when you can make this. Can definitely make this to boost up your rice during the year 2025. Imagine that yumminess and goodness. Then you add your gravy onto the side and you have a full meal. Remember to also put your vegetables, have a balanced diet. Till next time, remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment below whether you've loved it and whether you've learned something new on how to make your white rice. So till next time, see you and kwaheri and happy festivities.